When you have guests over, try this unique way of cutting dragon fruit. The finished product is so beautiful that everyone will be amazed. Do it once and you will remember it, simple and impressive. Watch the video to follow each detailed step and do it at home. Dragon fruit is a familiar fruit. Almost every family uses it every day. Although rich in nutrients, sweet and juicy, every time you peel dragon fruit, the juice flows out and sticks all over your hands. Especially with red dragon fruit, after peeling, the red color sticks to your nails for a long time and is extremely difficult to wash off. If it accidentally gets on your clothes, it's even more annoying. So how to peel dragon fruit so that it is easy to eat and doesn't spill everywhere? Today, I will share some simple tips to help you cut dragon fruit beautifully, so that everyone can enjoy it neatly and politely. Method 1, the most beautiful and practical. The first method is also the most useful. First, use a knife to cut off all the scales on the outside of the dragon fruit. Where in the world are you watching videos from? Leave a comment. Each of your comments is a greeting and also a motivation for me to make more videos. Next, cut off both ends of the dragon fruit. After cutting, the dragon fruit becomes round, smooth and very eye-catching. At this point, shaping becomes incredibly easy. Next, use a knife to cut V-shaped lines around the center of the dragon fruit. When cutting a V, the lines must be continuous, and the knife tip should cut deep into the center of the fruit. Once you have scored around the circumference, hold the fruit on both sides and gently pull it apart. Wow, doesn't it look nice? Looks like a lotus in full bloom. When the skin is removed from the pulp, the dragon fruit becomes even more beautiful. Enjoyment is also very convenient. Just hold the edge and gently peel it off. Place on a clean plate to serve guests, looking like two brilliant lotus flowers in bloom. Looks so elegant and sophisticated. Especially when you have guests, this cut looks very neat and polite. Method 2 is simplest and most convenient. The second method is much simpler and more convenient. Next, cut the dragon fruit in half. Where are you watching the video from? Let me know in the comments. Now, using a small knife, cut the insides into even cubes. Cut lengthwise first, then cut crosswise twice to create a perfect square. Then gently squeeze to pop the dragon fruit pieces out. If If you are close friends, you can just give them the toothpick to enjoy directly, so convenient. If it is an elderly person or a guest, put out a plate and insert a toothpick or small fork for them to use. Looks so classy and sophisticated. Clean, neat, and each piece is just enough for one serving. Suitable for both the elderly and children. No more worrying about kids spilling water everywhere. Method 3: Cute style for kids. The third method creates some really cute shapes. Take half of the dragon fruit and cut it into smaller pieces. Use your hands to gently separate the pulp from the shell. The core is still placed neatly on the shell. Cut into small, bite-sized pieces. Finally, cross the pieces to make it look nice. Looks like cute little dragon fruit boats. Just insert a toothpick and it's ready to use. Children will love this display. Especially for children who are lazy to eat fruit, eye-catching presentation will make them more eager. Dragon fruit is soft, sweet, juicy, rich in vitamins and fiber, extremely good for health. Try getting your kids involved in the decorating process, they may be more interested in eating. Don't throw away dragon fruit peels, very nutritious. Most people throw away the dragon fruit peel. What a waste! Because dragon fruit peel contains many nutrients, but eating it directly is a bit difficult. Because dragon fruit peel contains many nutrients, but eating it directly is a bit difficult. Now I will share with you how to turn dragon fruit peel into a delicious dish. How to cook dragon fruit peel water. After removing the pulp, place the dragon fruit peel on a cutting board. Cut off the base of the peel. Next, cut the peel into medium thick strips. This way, the nutrients in the shell will dissolve more easily into water. Add directly to the pot. Add water to the pot. Turn on the stove. Put the pot on the stove. Cover it. When the water boils, reduce heat to medium. Cook for about 10 minutes. This stage uses high heat to help the nutrients from the peel dissolve into the water. Do not cook for too long, or you will lose nutrients. Okay, done with this step. Cooking time is up. Remove the shell from the pot. At this time, the nutrients from the peel have dissolved into the water. We only keep the water. Look, the water color is so beautiful. How to drink. There are many ways to enjoy it. First, pour the water into a glass. Those who like sweet can add a little honey. Stir well and enjoy. But be careful not to add honey when the water is too hot, because the enzymes in honey are very sensitive to temperature. Honey provides organic acids, enzymes, and many other nutrients, which are very good for the body. This drink is not only delicious but also great for your skin, thanks to the rich anthocyanin content found in dragon fruit peel. Sunlight can damage up to 50% of skin cells, but anthocyanins can protect up to 85%. Medical studies show that anthocyanins promote rhodopsin regeneration in retinal cells, helping to prevent myopia and aging. In addition, anthocyanin also improves blood circulation, restores weak capillaries, and increases blood vessel elasticity. In short, dragon fruit peel provides numerous health benefits. Making dragon fruit peel jelly. We can also enjoy it in many other ways. Then add sugar to your taste. Prepare a package of white agar powder. Pour the flour into the pot and stir constantly. If not stirred immediately, the powder will clump. Continue stirring until powder is completely dissolved. Prepare a tray or bowl. Pour the dragon fruit juice into a tray or bowl. Let cool until set. If you want it faster, you can put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Or you can put it in the refrigerator or leave it at room temperature for about 1 hour. When it's frozen, take it out and pour it out for everyone to admire. It feels so good. Cut into bite-sized pieces. So we have dragon fruit jelly. The jelly is clear, cool, slightly chewy, and very refreshing. Although supermarkets sell many types of jelly, they often contain many additives. Children love to eat jelly, but jelly on the market is not completely safe, so limit giving it to children. Making it at home is clean, economical, and ensures quality. Add some coconut milk and enjoy immediately. Dragon fruit is a treasure from the flesh to the peel. Don't let it go to waste. No additives, safer, delicious, and nutritious. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. Thank you for your support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.